Good day, everyone. Are you running out of your alcohol? Well, here is a very effective DIY, do it yourself video on how to minimize the use of your alcohol as it is running out in our stores right now all over the world because of this virus, the infamous COVID 2019. Well, there is two types of alcohol that is very effective in killing this virus or preventing this virus. These are the ethyl and the isopropyl alcohol. So what is ethyl alcohol? It is the alcohol found in alcoholic drinks such as beer, brandy, whiskey, and is made from fermentation out from the sugar cane. And the second known alcohol is the isopropyl alcohol, known as the isopropanol. People ask, what is isopropyl alcohol used for? Well, isopropyl alcohol is mixed with water for use as a rubbing alcohol antiseptic. It is also used in industry as a very inexpensive solvent mixed in some cosmetic. And people ask, what is the harmless alcohol between the two, the ethyl or the isopropyl alcohol? Well, the answer is ethyl is the most harmless. It is even used in alcoholic beverages such as beer, brandy, and whiskey, while the isopropyl alcohol is mainly used in industry, in mixing with cosmetics, or even in varnish or shellacs. And now it's time for our do-it-yourself video on how to improvise the use of alcohol. Please watch it carefully. Thank you. Alright guys, there you go with my video, the DIY do-it-yourself video on alcohol. And please don't forget to like, comment, and click the subscribers button down below. And together we will fight the coronavirus. God bless and take care of yourselves. Ciao for now.